Hey guys, you can see that this is the Vivo's V23 with the stock home screen of Vivo's FunTouch OS, and this is the Android 12 lookalike. So how I did it, let's check it out. So first of all, you can see that this is the basic home screen, and now we have to install few applications. So for do that, we have to go to Telegram. I have shared this Telegram's link. You can check it in the description. Now we are going to Telegram, and you have to install the Lawnchair APK and also the Lawnchair icons. Now I'm installing the Lawnchair as I already have downloaded them. So it is installed, and now I'm going to install or download the Lawnicons. It's also been downloaded, so I'm installing now, and now pressing done. And after that, if you are a Vivo user, you have to make it a default. So to do that, you have to search default on your settings and go to default home app and select the Lawnchair. So pretty simple. Now the stock launcher is going to be the Lawnchair, and you can see that yes, everything is cool right now, and the search bar is the bottom of the screen. So now press on the home screen, go to home settings right now, and yes, careful these settings because don't mess it up. And after going to that, go to general, and now we have to match the icons to the theme. To do that, you have to click on themed icons. After enabling that, you can see that the icons are totally going to be matched with Android 12, and this is looking great and cool. Now again going to the home settings, and now we have to change the accent color. Currently now it is selected as system. We have to make it wallpaper. What does it actually wallpaper do is that you can see that everything is changed to the wallpaper's color. Now you can see it. So that's cool thing. Yes, I'm going to the, you can see that it is showing like a wallpaper's color, icons color also changed. Now we have to go to the settings again to change the search bar icon. So to do that, go to the dock and then show search bar. Now you have to apply accent color. So after that, you can see that simply this is looking gorgeous and great because this turned to be the wallpaper's color right now. You can see it. Now again, we have to go to the home settings for loss of change, making loss of changes. Don't afraid of it, it's simple. Now go to home settings, and yeah, now go to the app drawer. I'm going to app drawer now, and make the background opacity 80 to 90, whatever suits you. That actually give a good vibe. And let me check. No, there is no other settings you have to make changes. This is the just one, and yeah, that's good. Now go to the home screen and you can see it. If you think that this is doesn't actually look cool, you can go to the home setting and make it 90% opacity. That will look great. Now we have to download this application for the stock Google's wallpapers. Now I'm going to installing, and it's already been installed. Now opening this one, and yeah, go to the categories right now, and you will see that Google, and now I'm selecting a good whatever you said wallpaper right now. And yeah, this one is the popular one, Google 6 Pro, and now set as both, and okay, it's applied right now. And go to the home screen, you can see that it automatically changes the icons color to the wallpaper, also the search bar. That's cool, isn't it? So if you are still following this video, subscribe to this channel and comment below, are you following these steps or not. Remember that these icons cannot be changed. As I said, we will use actually the stock non-paid applications, but whenever you add a icon to the screen, it actually transform or to the accent that we have selected, that you are watching right now. And yeah, it's quite good looking, but these icons cannot be changed. Now what we have to do is that we have to add the widgets here. So we have to search Android 12 clock widgets. Yeah, you have to install this one. I'm installing right now this one, and after that you have to type Android 12 weather widgets. So there will be they will show two widgets application. You have to type on the second one, okay, and install it. It's installing right now. And yeah, both applications are added to the home screen. Now go to the Android 12 and you can see that there are free themes and few are customizable and few are exclusive. So as we are going to use the non-premium thing, so we are go with this thing that is actually a free theme. So yeah, you can see it. I'm going with the first one, and yeah, add to home screen, allow it, and create. Press on the create. It will create the shortcut. Yeah, go out of here. Yes, this is our watch widget. Now I'm setting this here. Okay, that's done. Now again, what we have to do is that we have to do similar thing with the Android 12 widget, weather widget. We have to go to here, go to settings. You don't need to do anything here. We will manually search the location from here. I'm going to set the location, typing my city name and setting it up. You can also do it with your own city name. And then now I'm going with the again with the free version or free widgets. So I'm selecting the first one. You can select any of the shapes you want. So I'm going with this one. Add to home screen is already been added. Let's go to here. Yeah, it's added now. Now just jump over to it and add it here. Yeah, it's done. Okay, the widgets are set up. You can choose whatever you want to choose, but one thing is missing, that is the Android 12 notify or notification panel. There is two applications we have to use, that is material components, Android 12 for KWGT and KLWP. Installing this one and now opening this. Yeah, and now scrolling down. No, not here. Here, KWGT. Here it is, material toggles. If I click here, it also tell me to install a software, so I'm going to install it now. Okay, and yeah, install now. You have to install. I'm installing now, and now opening this one. Okay, let's go now. Clicking let's go, next. Okay, allowing everything that it wants. Now what we have to do is that we have to add a widget. Again, I'm trying. It shows you have to add widgets, then it can add. First we have to add a customized widgets. So hold your home screen, go to widgets. Now go to custom widget and select the 4:4. Yeah, this is the one, and now make it bigger, and now click on it, and then we have to go to the material toggles. Here it is, and yeah, adding it. Now you have to fix this thing. There are few things that are missing. I'm fixing now. Whatever is missing, you have to give permission, so it will work flawlessly. So I'm giving all of the permissions that it needs to work flawlessly. So giving permission for the phone also. Yeah, remember this, I tried with the Google account, but it doesn't allow me to use this thing, so I'm ignoring, saving, and again ignoring. Yeah, it's added here. So everything is looking cool, except one thing, that I have to delete or remove these icons from here. They are not looking great because they are not matching with the accents. Yeah, that's cool. Now removing them. Okay, so this is the thing. Now you can see totally Android 12 without spending a penny. And that's great. You can see the notifications, 5 notifications, Take Riot, Roby, 63% battery, everything is flawless working. Now what we have to do is that we will check that if we change the wallpaper, will it actually change the accents or not. Now I'm going with this wallpaper. Now I'm applying it. Okay, and yeah, applying it with here. Yeah, it's nearly done. Yeah, it's applied. Now you can see that everything's color is changed. That means your home screen is now totally clean and look alike about Android 12. So that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. And yeah, this is looking great and cool. Whatever widgets shape you want, you can select, and you can see that everything is functioning except the fitness here. And that's it. So see you soon. Bye.